This is a SolidWorks part file. It requires an expensive license to edit, but anyone can view it using the free eDrawings viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you where to download it. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest SLDPRT cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. An SLDPRT file is a 3D part model created by SolidWorks, a CAD, computer-aided design, software application. It contains the geometric data representing a single part of an assembly, including features like extrudes, revolves, and cuts. These files are essential for designing and manufacturing mechanical components and products. SLDPRT files store precise geometric information using boundary representation, BREP, or constructive solid geometry, CSG. They can include feature history, allowing for parametric modifications. The file format supports material properties, surface finishes, and other design attributes crucial for engineering analysis and manufacturing processes. Free viewers are available. You will typically find Autodesk Fusion 360, developed by Autodesk Inc. associated with SLDPRT. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows exposes only minimal attributes, so full access relies on compatible 3D or engineering software. Your key initial action: right-click the SLDPRT file and select Open With. If Autodesk Fusion 360 is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the SLDPRT file opens. If your SLDPRT file will not open yet, do not panic. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, use SolidWorks. Open the file using SolidWorks or a compatible CAD program, ensuring you have a valid license and the correct version. Next, use Free Viewer. If you only need to view the model, download and use the free eDrawings viewer from SolidWorks, which is designed specifically for this format. Finally, check for missing components. If the file won't open, verify that any linked external files are in the correct location, or try File, Open. References to check the paths. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.